Hello po. I'm Janaya. Hello, I'm Janaya. It's your vlog. Yeah. Ah, it's Dad. Yes. You say hello po. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is July 13th, Sunday. Where are we going, Naya? Where are we going? Go play friends.
Go to church.
Go to church.
And play with and go to Sunday school.
No, we're not going to church.
Sunday.
We're not gonna go to church. No, we're gonna go to... See? You see the church?
We go to church and Naya play with friends.
Yes. Are you sleepy? Naya, are you sleepy? Ah, you're not sleepy. Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Good job.
How about you, Jaden? Are you excited?
Daming traffic lights na red. Puro red. 9:05 na ng umaga. 9 o'clock ang simba. Lapit na kami sa church. Upsi.
Wala ka sa evening kiyan dito.
Check, love you.
Dito na kami. Bembeng ko. Let's go. Jaden, let's go. Jaden, love, love. Jaden, love, love. Ay, ay, ay. Ano na siya na mama. Naantok si Jaden, di makatulog. Habang nagpe-preach, pumunta kami sa family room. Wala, hindi natulog. Sama yun ni Daddy. Lalakad sila. Pagdadiin ko, ayaw. Na-overstimulate na siguro. Inaantok pa na, hindi makatulog. Ako nasa sina Daddy ngayon. Si Janaya nasa Sunday school.
Later inasal or...
Ating pakbit, paksiw, ating pang igado.
Oh, ito na mo. Tanang pala.
Ating nemang sabaw Naya.
Naya, yummy? Yummy bread? Anong oras na?
Banang
10:53 na na.
Banang mapangandit ang
Ay,
tayo.
hapon.
Linlen ng ibisang mga...
Meto to din, ma'am. Mapagagan
Linlen ng ibisang mga karne at itang pakbit.
Tunog pa niya man yan eh.
Yeah, alas 11 na oh. Last ng dinidi, 7:30.
Kaya kasi madidistract yung... Kalau pa dyan tang metong na eme.
Wah.
Bali nabigay yung kaya nursery. Maglambot. Gising anak na.
Yummy.
Oh, it's yummy. You smile up. Okay, finish my love and then after that, you can drink your liver. Okay, finish that one so you'll be full. Okay? Yeah, it's yummy. You're hungry.
Nakatulog na si Jaden.
Ano yun?
Diretso na kami ng uwi. Mainit. Anong temperature?
Feels like 30 something. 34.
35?
Legend sleeping.
Yeah, Jaden sleeping.
Wale sleeping.
Let's put the covers.
Diretso uwi. Hindi mo talaga makatulog si Jaden. Pagod na.
Mga burst stimulate siya pa.
Yeah.
Mamaw siya man ni ating mo day-day lang din habang kaya pa. Pagkanta pa kin last version. Like 40.
Heat warning. Feels like 40.
That yun na naman baler kang ating na.
Plus humid.
Hindi namang. Good job.
Oh, next time you order, okay?
Hello.
Yan, Naya.
Cut for daddy,
Bisa po.
please. Sana ka mo.
Naya, you'll order next time, okay?
Order din daw siya, sabi niya. Pahingi pong sleeve. Sleeve po. Thank you.
Ice cup
Paano daw mag-order, Naya?
for daddy.
Paano daw mag-order, Naya?
How to order na lang?
One ice cup for daddy, please. How can you say that?
Order for daddy. Say it.
Say it. 1 ice cup. Paano daw yun? 1 ice cup for daddy, please.
Ela. Gustong misa niya mo ita.
Next time. Kung maintindihan din eh. Next time na yung papag-orderan. Ice cup si daddy. Ilang kamatayang Mr. Ice Cup.
Tita mo di ka no, may kabipi yang...
Dito na kami sa parking lot. Jaden tulog. Now let's go.
And the other what? The other side. Hold it.
Okay.
Ha? 230 ano pala, hindi akas da pala. Oo, akit mo malinis.
Come. Bilis na nakong.
Kanita ni Darren.
Naya. Tsaka Malkenny. Wala pa kakatam. Let's go. Go. Go, 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 quick. Go up. So many ants, yes.
Di ka nakaman ba yung pepe? Patagay sa Biana, it's an effort in going up.
Careful, one at a time.
Kabalo ka. Kabalo ka. Kabangin na imbestigan.
Mag alas 4 na ng hapon dahil sa sobrang init. Lakas ng ulan. Kotse ni daddy. Si Jaden tulog. Si Janaya nagising. Siguro dahil sa lakas ng ulan. Umiiyak. Kanina nakakain na kami ng lunch mga bandang 1 na. Parehong puyat.
Bagi-bagi. Nakita mo lang yung paa mo. You discovered your feet.
Yes.
You discovered your
Yeah,
feet.
I think started 2 days ago.
You discovered your feet. Yeah, you have more than one hand. You have feet already. You also have a feet. You're amazed with your feet, eh? Oh, you can play with your feet now. Yeah, you discovered your feet. You discovered your feet. You discovered your feet. You discovered your feet. Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, you discovered your feet. Huh? You discovered your feet? Where's your feet? Show daddy your feet. Ooh. You have 2 feet. 1 feet, 2 feet. Plural put ba?
1 foot? 1 foot? Ewan ko.
What's foot and feet?
Foot is
Different
1.
feet.
Foot is 1.
Oh.
Feet is 2. Ay, ano? Not 2. Maybe, ano?
You discovered it. You discovered your feet. You discovered your feet. Where's your feet? 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 Tanda?
So, kaninang kumulan na malakas. Ilang minuto lang? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Nag-stop. Lalo lang uminit.
Nakapagsinanaya.
Hindi nakapag-work si Janaya. Basa eh. Hindi naman niya malalaro yung mga ano. Dahil parang malakas yung ugoy niya. Baka mahilo. late dinner. 8:15 na ng gabi. Nag-ihaw si mama. Chicken.
Ako, ma'am.
And toyo with calamansi. Rice.
Iya ka ng mga nasi. I want to eat kamuti.
Aroy.
Mananungo ka man luto, bisa naman.
Wala siyang carbs gusto ko.
Ayaw ni Janaya ng kanin. You don't like rice?
Whoa.
No, that's soy sauce. Get a tissue.
Maningin kamuti tayo. Malagkit po tang...
Mom, you hold my iPad, Mom.
Okay, I will. You get the tissue?
I got the cheese here.
Okay, good job.
Here it is.
Thank you. Na, I wipe it. Get off
Where you
na.
gonna sit?
Get off na.
Want to sit here?
Yes.
You want rice? Rice and soup or only rice?
I like.
Just only want rice like that?
Yes.
Soup? You do like soup?
Where's your table? Ma'am, yung table mo.
I want rice too. Yes, Mom. Right.
You want rice too? Okay, I'll get you rice. 9:15 na ng gabi. Ay, maliwanag. Nakabihis na po ako. Kamo. Nakabihis na po ako. Gusto ko na mag-sleep. Naiinis na siya. Sige na. Sleep na tayo. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Daddy.
Please like,
Just like.
subscribe,
Sister.
and share.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye.